Shah Rukh Khan was born on 2nd November 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality. Referred to in the media as the Badshah of Bollywood, in reference to his 1999 film Badshah, King of Bollywood and King Khan, he has appeared in more than 80 Hindi films and earned numerous accolades, including 14 Filmfare Awards. The Government of India has awarded him the Padma Shri, and the Government of France has awarded him the Ordre des Arts et des Lettres and the Legion of Honor. Khan has a significant following in Asia and the Indian diaspora worldwide. In terms of audience size and income, he has been described as one of the most successful film stars in the world. Khan began his career with appearances in several television series in the late 1980s. He made his Bollywood debut in 1992 with Deewana. Early in his career, Khan was recognized for portraying villainous roles in the films Bazigar, Dar, and Anjam. He then rose to prominence after starring in a series of romantic films, including Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Dil To Pagal Hai, Kuch Hota Hai, Mohabbatein, and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Khan went on to earn critical acclaim for his portrayal of an alcoholic in Devdas, a NASA scientist in Swades, a hockey coach in Chak De India, and a man with Asperger's syndrome in My Name is Khan. His highest grossing films include the comedies Chennai Express, Happy New Year, Dilwale, and the crime film Rise. Many of his films display themes of Indian national identity and connections with diaspora communities or gender, racial, social and religious differences and grievances. As of 2015, Khan is co-chairman of the motion picture production company Red Chillies Entertainment and its subsidiaries, and is the co-owner of the Indian Premier League cricket team Kolkata Knight Riders and the Caribbean Premier League team Trinbago Knight Riders. He is a frequent television presenter and stage show performer. The media often label him as brand SRK because of his many endorsement and entrepreneurship ventures. Khan's philanthropic endeavors have provided healthcare and disaster relief, and he was honored with UNESCO's Pyramide Kon Marni Award in 2011 for his support of children's education and the World Economic Forum's Crystal Award in 2018 for his leadership in championing women's and children's rights in India. He regularly features in listings of the most influential people in Indian culture, and in 2008, Newsweek named him one of their 50 most powerful people in the world. Khan was born into a Muslim family in New Delhi. He spent the first 5 years of his life in Mangalore, where his maternal grandfather, Iftikhar Ahmed, served as the chief engineer of the port in the 1960s. Khan's paternal grandfather, Mir Jan Muhammad Khan, was an ethnic Pashtun Pathan from Peshawar. Khan's father, Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, was an Indian independence activist from Peshawar who campaigned alongside the Khudai Khidmatkar, a Pashtun non-violent resistance movement led by Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as Badshah Khan or the Frontier Gandhi, that advocated for the creation of a united and independent India. Mir was a follower of Abdul Ghaffar Khan and affiliated with the Indian National Congress. As of 2010, Khan's paternal family was still living in the Shah Wali Katal area of Peshawar's Kissa Khwani Bazar. They speak Hindiko and claim to be originally from Kashmir. Mir moved to New Delhi in 1948 after the partition of India. Khan's mother, Latif Fatima, was the daughter of a senior government engineer. His parents were married in 1959. Khan described himself on Twitter as half Hyderabadi, mother, half Pathan, father, and some Kashmiri, paternal grandmother. Khan grew up in the Rajendra Nagar neighborhood of New Delhi. His father had several business ventures including a restaurant, and the family lived a middle-class life in rented apartments. Khan attended St. Columba's School in central Delhi where he excelled in his studies and in sports such as hockey and football, and received the school's highest award, the Sword of Honor. Initially, Khan aspired to pursue a career in sports. However, owing to a shoulder injury in his early years meant that he could no longer play. Instead, in his youth, he acted in stage plays and received praise for his imitations of Bollywood actors, of which his favorites were Dilip Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, and Mumtaz. One of his childhood friends and acting partners was Amrita Singh, who became a Bollywood actress. Khan enrolled at Hansraj College, 1985-88, to earn his bachelor's degree in economics, but spent much of his time at Delhi's Theatre Action Group where he studied acting under the mentorship of theatre director Barry John. After Hansraj, he began studying for a master's degree in mass communication at Jamia Millia Islamia, but left to pursue his acting career. He also attended the National School of Drama in Delhi during his early career in Bollywood. His father died of cancer in 1981, and his mother died in 1991 from complications of diabetes. After the death of their parents, his older sister, Shehnaz Lala Rukh, born in 1960, fell into a depressed state, and Khan took on the responsibility of caring for her. Shehnaz continues to live with her brother and his family in their Mumbai mansion. Although Khan was given the birth name Shah Rukh Khan, he prefers his name to be written as Shah Rukh Khan and is commonly referred to by the acronym SRK. He married Gauri Chibbal, a Punjabi Hindu, in a traditional Hindu wedding ceremony on 25 October 1991 after a 6-year courtship. They have a son Aryan, born 1997, and a daughter Suhana, born 2000. In 2013, they became parents of a third child, a son named Abram, who was born through a surrogate mother. Both his elder children have expressed interest in entering the entertainment industry. Khan has stated that Aryan, who is studying film at the USC School of Cinematic Arts in California, aspires to become a writer-director, while Suhana, who served as assistant director for Khan's film Zero, 2018, is studying drama and acting at NYU's Tisch School of the Arts for Higher Education. Khan co-produced 3 films from 1999 to 2003 as a founding member of the partnership Dreams Unlimited. After the partnership was dissolved, he and Gauri restructured the company as Red Chillies Entertainment. Either Khan or Gauri are usually given production credits, and he has appeared in most of the films, either in the lead role or in a guest appearance. Khan was involved in several aspects of the making of Ra.1, 2011. Aside from acting, he produced the film, volunteered to write the console game script, dubbed for it, oversaw its technical development, and wrote the digital comics based on the film's characters. Khan is a frequent stage performer and has participated in several world tours and concerts. In 1997, he performed in Asha Bhosle's Moments in Time concert in Malaysia and returned the following year to perform with Karisma Kapoor for the Shah Rukh Karisma. In 2008, Khan, in partnership with Juhi Chawla and her husband Jay Mehta, acquired ownership rights for the franchise representing Kolkata in the 2020 cricket tournament Indian Premier League (IPL) for $75.09 million and named the team Kolkata Knight Riders. As of 2009, KKR was one of the richest teams in the IPL, with a brand value of $42.1 million. The team performed poorly on the field during the first 3 years. Their performance improved over time, and they became the champions for the first time in 2012 and repeated the feat in 2014. The Knight Riders hold the record for the longest winning streak by any Indian team in T20s, 14. Khan performed alongside Sunidhi Chauhan and Shreya Saran at the opening ceremony of the IPL 2011 season, where they danced to Tamil songs. He appeared again in 2013 alongside Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone and Pitbull. In May 2012, the Mumbai Cricket Association (MCA) banned him from the Wankhede Stadium for 5 years for getting into an argument with the security staff after a match between KKR and the Mumbai Indians. Khan had, however, stated that he acted only after children, including his daughter, were being manhandled by the security staff, and that the officials were extremely high-handed and aggressive in their behavior. Shah Rukh Khan receives a considerable amount of media coverage in India and is often referred to as King Khan, the Badshah of Bollywood, or the King of Bollywood. His wealth has been estimated at $400-600 million. Khan owns several properties in India and abroad, including a £20 million apartment in London and a villa on the Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. Khan frequently appears on listings of the most popular, stylish, and influential people in India. He has regularly featured among the top 10 on the Times of India's list of the 50 most desirable men in India, and in a 2007 poll by the magazine Eastern Eye he was named the sexiest man in Asia. In April 2020, Khan announced a series of initiatives to help the Government of India and the state governments of Maharashtra, West Bengal, and Delhi mitigate the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as relief measures for thousands of underprivileged people and daily wage laborers affected by the lockdown. Personally, I am a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Tell me your thoughts in the comments regarding Shah Rukh Khan. So that is for today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.